Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do Perl baby steps. This is the series for complete beginners, so if you're completely new to Perl, this is the place for you. And also, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're just going to talk about standard input. So we're going to use the print command to print a message to the user, and that message is enter your name. Okay, so that will print out enter your name. Then we've got to get some input from them, and we do that by saying a scalar variable called entry is equal to STDIN. This is standard input. So the user will type in their name into there, and then we go chomp the line here, which looks chomp underneath, and that's going to be scalar entry. Okay, and then print, we're going to print out the user's name. So before we do that, we're going to say hello, and then what we do is the scalar entry here, which is the user's name, will be printed out along with hello, and we do this slash here because this is a new line character, and there we go. Let's test this out. Enter your name, Dave. Hello Dave. So there you go. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to knock this out here. So if I take out standard input, and we've got the diamond operator there, we'll just run this. Let's try it again. Bill. Okay, hello Bill. Right. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a variation on this. I'm going to type in standard input again. So we're going to introduce a conditional statement here called if. So if scalar entry, the name that the user typed in, is equal to, and then we're going to put a name here, just a random name, let's say Dave. And then we're going to do some curly braces here, and we're going to print off something to the user. We're going to print hello, not going to print here, hello Dave. Okay, and a new line there. Else, if the user doesn't type Dave into the input box, we're going to type something else. So this is going to be print sorry I don't, let's say sorry I don't know you, new line. Okay, let's just try that. Let's run it. Enter your name. I'm going to enter Bill. Sorry, I don't know you. So it's evaluated it. If entry is equal to Dave, which it wasn't, then it's just jumped straight down here to the else statement. Print sorry, I don't know you. So let's type in Dave. So Dave, hello Dave. Okay, I'm going to do another one here. So I'm going to do the if statement again. If scalar entry is equal, let's say, I'm going to have to do this. This is going to be an empty string. Okay, so that means there's nothing there. So if we enter nothing, I'm going to print empty string. Okay, else. Then we're just going to print a greeting. It's going to be hello, and then scalar entry. Okay, new line there. Okay, let's just save that and let's just run it. Okay, enter your name. I'm going to enter nothing. Whoops, argument isn't numeric. Oh dear, shouldn't have used that. Should have used equals. Okay, this should do the trick here. Okay, so let's enter nothing. So empty string. Okay, let's run it again. Let's enter a random name. Steve. Hello, Steve. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.